Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today is the first of the month. We are November 1st, 2019, and one of the things we look at every month is the market share for the Windows operating system. So if we look at the Windows operating system, Windows 10 is number one in October. It is at 62.98%, so 63% of Windows PCs are Windows 10 PCs, according to this number. And that is up from 60.65 last month. So we could almost 2.5%. That's pretty good of an increase for Windows 10. And the increase has been going a little faster now, and probably has to do with the fact that Windows 7 is soon to be retired. Windows 7 has almost 28%. Last month it was 29.39, so close to 1.5% lower this month compared to last month. It's still holding on strong though, 28%. 2 months away. I mean, more than a quarter of all the PCs out there are still on Windows 7. So that's a lot of PCs actually. Then we have Windows 8 at 7.3% when you put Windows 8 and 8.1 together. You got Windows XP at 1.36 and Windows Vista at 0.3. So we could see that Windows 10 is dominating. It's actually increasing the speed at which it is being adopted every month. So I guess we're going to easily get more than 1 billion PCs running Windows 10 sometime early next year probably. Right now the number is 900 million Windows 10 PCs. So kind of interesting to see these numbers, and we'll see what this is going to do and how it's going to be in January. It's going to be interesting, these numbers, especially probably the best number, the most interesting one will be when February arrives. We'll have the January number of Windows 7, and since January will have been the last Patch Tuesday update for security, where are we going to be? At this speed we're still going to be above 20%, that's for sure. So kind of interesting to see that Windows 10 marches on, of course, and that Windows 7 slowly declining. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.